What's up guys, it's me your Geek. So here are the top 5 case for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5A. The number 5 case is from Gift Source, a simple beautiful looking case, but the stand have a portrait. I mean, if you like to read your messages a lot, WhatsApp, WeChat or whatever, then grab this case. Number 5. Okay, the number 4 case is also a similar design but different company. This is from Ramay. I mean also there's a price different. This one is like $4, but the shipping is quite high, and this one is only $9. And number three is from Kai Lin, a simple beautiful really very thin case. And number 2 is a simple rugged style tire case. And number 1 is my favorite. I mean, it's one of the elegant a little bit classy case for the gentleman, and all of the links are in the description box. Well, it was me, Gmail.